everyone. Today we have an extra special episode of The Joy of Cooking. And today we are going to embark on our most difficult dish yet. Yes, this will be a culinary adventure that I don't know if we're gonna get out of alive. I've never made this before, so we'll see how it goes. And just as I'm approaching, what do you think it is? Ooh, the suspense. Oh, whoa! It's a salad. Well, they can be a lot more difficult than you think. Whoa! Hey, look, here's our ingredients. Oh gosh, look, we've got some roughage. We've got red lettuce, green leaf lettuce. There's looks to be a carrot, green peppers, and green onions, tomatoes. Is that a radish? Yeah. And then we've got cucumber, and over here we've got a variety of salad dressings and some pepper, onion, and some clamato juice. And we're actually not going to use the onion and clamato juice. I just thought it looked cool as an overall thing. So yeah, let's get to it. Now salads, they're tough to put together. You got to think about a lot of things, specifically what you're going to put in it, and we already went over that. The tools I will use today will be this plate that I'm going to put the salad on, a serrated knife, a chef's knife, a peeler, and then eventually, when it's all ready, this fork. So yeah. So I'm going to start with a bed of lettuce, and I'm going to start with the red leaf here. So these are all washed and stuff. And you know, a lot of times when folks are making salads, you'll see them, you know, they grip it like this and they get the rooty part out. Well, you know what's nice and what's real easy is you peel it. You peel it like, not like you would peel a grape, but like maybe if you were unfolding an artichoke, or say opening a present. But yeah, so I'm just taking a couple pieces there, and so that way I keep my whole thing intact there. I mean, there's a little bit of method to it. I'm gonna get the briny brown stuff out of here, and just give this a little chop. It's got a great, it's called red leaf lettuce because of this this auburn meets a scarlet hue of the lettuce. Now, put this on here. Typically I will do a bowl for salads, but I feel like I didn't have one that was decorative enough for the occasion, considering this is a rarity here. So, all right, next we're gonna do a little green leaf. Do that same thing. Gonna peel off a couple guys here. Like, oh, hello, how are you? Any volunteers? Not you, yuck. Probably not that one. We got some good candidates here. And toss this over here with my pile. And, you know, as a culture, you know, as far as a general rule, really glossing over everybody, I don't think we eat enough vegetables. It takes some difficulty. I mean, vegetables raw are awesome, but you know, some require cooking, and a lot of times you're busy. You don't have time to shop for, you know, specific produce and stuff. And you know, this stuff doesn't last a super long time. So I got my nice bed of roughage here. This is going to be a nice base here, like a canvas, if you will, that we're then going to play off the other ingredients. So what we're going to yield is an extremely aesthetically pleasing salad, and it's proven that things that look better taste better. It's got Roma tomato here. Take off a little end here, and I'm going to get me some little circles. So it's like, it's tomato vision. I'm going to do a couple of those. I'll probably, you know, I'll do the whole tomato. Except this last little guy, which I'm going to eat. gonna cut these in half into little half moons. And I'm gonna place them in just a fashion along the bowl here. And by bowl, I mean plate. Anybody notice my cool hat? Not really sure what's in reference to, perhaps like a magazine, but yeah. So tomatoes there, gonna do green pepper next. And if you remember from previous episodes, just go along the side, avoid the seeds. I had actually used this a little bit earlier for a snack. So we got our green pepper, and I'm gonna take off the little bit of the marshy inside here. I'm gonna cut this into strips. And then I'm gonna, you know, traditionally like how you would have green peppers to snack on and whatnot. I'm gonna cut this in half. It's a manageable size, and just gonna toss them on here on the lettuce. Now the green to green, it's a tough bit, but having the flavor, having the crunch in there, there's a lot of different varieties of crunch going on. A radish here. Radishes, like carrots, grow in the ground, and man, it wasn't until probably 5 years ago that I could stand the taste of a radish. I don't know what it was. It was just a little too spicy. Growing up, we had this little glass, like crystal glass dish, that its only purpose was to hold salt, to then have radishes dipped in, and it was like just this like size and circumference of a radish, your average radish, and that was its purpose, to hold salt that you then dip radishes in. So I've got my radish discs here. And put these right on the salad. And I'm gonna go with cuke. Now typically with cucumbers or zucchinis, yellow squash, this type of stuff, I like to go on an angle here. Just for some reason I think it looks cool. Today I'm gonna go circles. Cucumbers, you gotta love the little waxy stuff they put on. I don't know if that's natural, like I mean, have you ever seen a cucumber in a wax museum? Because it makes sense. So I got me some circles here of the cukes. And drop these down. And coming together pretty good. You're gonna like the look of it. And do a little green onion. This is just gonna add a different flavor. Like I wouldn't say I'm in the majority here, but I like onions in my salad. So like there's red onions in there, like I'm not picking it up unless there's like a shit ton. But onions are good for you. They I don't know, they probably got good stuff. I'm gonna take my green onions here, sprinkle them around. There we go. And carrot. So I already washed my carrot. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna peel some little guys. And this is gonna obviously go on the salad. Make a little mountain, perhaps a volcano that's like not really spewing much. So yeah, got my carrots there. And I could pour the clamato juice on it, which would be silly. So I'm gonna take this black pepper grinder that has just enough and spread this along here. And dude, check it out. We have like a super good looking garden fresh salad. I mean, this is restaurant quality. This is like steakhouse. This is Morton's. You know, this shit costs money salad. You know, this is a $10 salad right here. But yeah, choose your favorite dressing. Big fan of Ken's. Great variety of dressings, most of them gluten-free. And a little generous. Make sure my little guys on the outside get some. Oh my God, this looks so good. and try to get a little bit, everybody. It's delicious. Like, it's really, really good. There should be no guilt in eating a salad. And there's no reason a salad can just be a healthy thing. Shit tastes good. When in doubt, just use some fucking ranch. Anyways, appreciate you watching. Had a really good day today. More episodes coming soon. And yeah, bye.